Hello students, in this video let us start with the division Gnathostomata, right? In previous we have discussed about the vertebrata is divided into two divisions, Agnatha and Gnathostomata. So second division, that is Gnathostomata. So as we studied already, Gnathostomata means the mouth has jaws, mouth with jaws, right? That mouth is supported by upper jaw and lower jaws. Right, there are two jaws which we observed in Gnathostomata. In Agnatha, jaws are absent. Right. So in the hierarchical system, the classification phylum Chordata, subphylum Vertebrata. So below that division, that is the second division, Gnathostomata. Right, Gnathostomata, division Gnathostomata. So Gnathostomata includes actually higher vertebrates. That is what we call advanced vertebrates. This Gnathostomata includes advanced vertebrates compared to this Gnathostomata are advanced, right? So hence the advanced, we can say advanced means higher. So development or in the body forms. So in the most of the features are advanced, right? So that is the mouth has jaws, right? So mouth with jaws are present. Right, upper and lower jaw we can say. So body, so when you observe, this is the body, right? So this is the body here, we can observe that this is the lower jaw and upper jaw. These are said to be jaws, right? So head region also we observed here, head region, this is the maybe eyes and are formed here, right? So that is what mouth with jaws, that is the important feature of Gnathostomata. And one more is presence of two nostrils. One more important feature of this Gnathostomata is that is presence of two nostrils. There are two nostrils, right? So in Agnatha, so that is also called as monorhina. Yes. So this was also referred as monorhina. So this is referred as empirhina. Also called Agnatha, also called monorhina, because only one nostril was there in this case. That is the members belongs to either in hagfish or lampreys, right? So Agnatha shows that monorhina. Monorhina means this is also referred as monorhina because presence of only one nostril. But in case of Gnathostomata, so there are presence of two nostrils. So hence these are also called empirhina, right? Empirhina. This division is also referred as empirhina, right? Empirhina, MP means both, two sides, both left and right, we can say. That is the presence of two nostrils. They are the openings in the anterior region, right? So, and it includes many members, most of the animals, higher animals, that is including fishes, which are exclusively aquatic, as you know. Fishes, amphibians, they are found in the both sides, right? Both land as well as on water. That is amphibians, which includes the example frog. Next, reptiles, so snakes and different reptiles, what we studied, wall lizard you can take, and crocodile and tortoise. So many examples, we will discuss it later, details, right? Aves means commonly known as birds. Yes. Next, mammals, right? So mammals, up to mammals. So these are the higher animals we can consider. These higher animals comes under Gnathostomata, right? Gnathostomata. Under again the classification when you observe, so that is divided. So this Gnathostomata is further divided into superclasses here. Superclass, that is superclass Pisces, and superclass Tetrapoda. These are the two superclasses which are named here, that is Pisces and Tetrapoda, right? So again this Pisces is classified. Pisces, right? Pisces are exclusively aquatic. You can take exclusively aquatic. Without water they cannot survive, right? So for all activities water is essential here. So even their habitat is the water. So hence exclusively water, either freshwater form or marine water, right? So the Pisces are classified into class Chondrichthyes, and next class, yes, that is the second class, Osteichthyes. Chondrichthyes is made up of cartilage, right? chondric this endoskeleton. So it is divided. This pieces are divided on the basis of pieces are divided on the basis of actually the endoskeleton. So if endoskeleton is made up of cartilage, they are considered as chondric this. For example, ray fish, right? So you can take the shark also. Shark fish and ray fish are considered as chondric this, and ostick this. Ostick this means which is bony, which is made up of bony skeleton, bony endoskeleton. So these are the cartilage and are referred as endoskeleton. Right? Endoskeleton is made up of cartilage. They are considered in this class, that is chondric this, because chondrocytes in the cartilaginous tissue, chondrocytes are there. Chondrocytes we can say, and in ostick this the bony endoskeleton is present, so that class is named as ostick this. So these ostick this name because the bony tissue is formed by osteocytes, right? So hence the name is ostick this, right? So here all bony fishes are comes under this one, right? Many are there, cutla fish, and there are many examples. Later on we will discuss this details with including general features of chondric this, right? So this is about the general features of Gnathostomata. Here important two features you should remember all along with you can say that is a vertebral column, presence of vertebral column, notochord, everything, cranium is there, right? So along with that features, these are important here, common features, that is Gnathostomata means presence of jaws, and this is referred as presence of two nostrils. This is important, and it includes these all animals, higher animals, advanced animals we can say, right, including man. Man is also referred as the man division, that is a Gnathostomata only, right? So now when you observe this one, so you can also note the points here before this rubbing, so you can note the points. Now when we write the classification for the chondric this, let us we see, try to write that. See the next phylum, subdivision, subphylum, phylum, subphylum, division, and here under this division there are superclasses, superclass, which one? Pisces, right? Pisces. So next the class is chondric this, right? So that is chondric this, right? So this is the chondric this, understood? So otherwise you may start with the here Pisces I have taken, here tetrapoda, one more was tetrapoda. So in the superclass level tetrapoda, remaining is same, right? So these are two divisions we leave. So first chordata, that is phylum, vertebrata, subphylum. So already we have studied the Gnatha in previous video, right? So next here division Gnathostomata. In this division there are two superclasses. One superclass is Pisces, another superclass is tetrapoda. Okay. So Pisces has very special features are here. Fins are present for their locomotion. Fins are present. Okay, this is another important feature. Pins are present in the Pisces, both chondric this and ostick this, paired and unpaired pins, which are helps in the locomotion, and exclusively these are aquatic. Without water they cannot survive because their habitat is the water, right? So tetrapoda, so first phylum, water, both land is required there, right? So tetrapoda means presence of limbs. This is important feature. So here again we observe that so in class level here superclass is there, Pisces, so that is tetrapoda, and here class chondric this, another one is ostick this, ostick this, right? This is the second class. So don't consider here the hierarchy. So one I have taken, next we will explain it. So two classes comes under Pisces, and here there are three classes, that is class, this is a superclass, class is First one, class amphibia, and class next. This is the first class. Second one is class reptilia, class aves. This is the third class, and fourth class is class, yes, last one, that is mammals, including this man is also there in this class. Okay, so these are the 4 classes studied under the tetrapoda. So tetrapoda unique feature is presence of limbs. Okay, some are special, limbless may also present in the what you call this yes, reptilia or even in amphibia. Limbless animals may also present, right? So limbs may modified into wings in aves and mammals. So 4 limbs are modified into hands like structures. So highly advanced vertebrates are there in the mammals, highly evolved, you can say, highly evolved in the origin of life. So completely higher animal, we can say, that is in the mammals, right? So this is what the classification of tetrapoda, and here superclass Pisces is divided. Next, in the next bit, let us we start with the class, yes, class Chondrichthyes and class Ostrich, right? So these are the 2 classes comes under superclass Pisces. So it is also superclass tetrapoda. So there are 4 classes. So in next some other videos, so let us we start with the class Chondrichthyes, class Ostrich, class amphibia, class reptilia, class aves, class mammalia, right? Commonly called as mammals, mammalia, right? Class name is mammalia here. Okay, this is what we call birds. So this is about our next study, right? The next bit we will see the Chondrichthyes, right? Yes, students, in the next class we will start with the class Chondrichthyes. So in the next video we will start. Okay, thank you, students.